Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how I can edit like all of your photos at once. Well, like some photos. So just select here and select the photos you want to edit, then just press on one and like you can group them together. You can add to album, you can revert to original, adjust date and time, adjust location, create a slideshow out of it. You can hide it. For instance, you want to adjust date and time, you can do that, and you can even adjust the location. And yeah, that is pretty much how you can edit a lot of photos at once on the new iOS 16 software. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!